See that cluster? We're gonna get them out. Because we already took this dashboard off. Alright. Door. Says me. These guys are nice and tight. Alright? So what you want to do is when you put it, you want to come right here in the corner where no one can see. Right there with a tool like this. Once you get the door halfway, you can work it with your hand. Pull this guy off. Maybe you can pull a little leather out, or rubber. Alright. Put it in a safe place. Now, this whole panel practically is just snap, 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 snap. Alright, so this guy snapped himself back in. Alright, so this guy going around, you want to squeeze this guy and get this little felt cover off. Same thing on the other side. Alright, see this guy? It stays. I want it to stay. Good. We'll leave it there. Now, unplug. This is your temperature sensor for inside the car. Now I'm not going to take everything off. So we're going to go and take that one screw out and that one screw out over here. I think there's another one over here. Maybe not. Let's see. One screw down below here. Turn the wheel, can't miss that. One screw, two screw, let's get them out. All right, there's a little tab right there that locks this guy into place. So pop the back off, all right? And this one came out with no problems, but you see this little nub right there? That is what helps lock this guy to each other. Now, will actually come out. There's the top, right? And the bottom is going to be for and with. There you go. It's a little lip that goes in the steering column. So you want to sort of push it back out of it. And there's your little adjuster plug that we're not going to take out. There is no screw. No screw, no screw. So what we're going to do is put the steering wheel down. Just to get a little bit more room. It's down all the way. And with this guy out of the way, and this guy up out of the way, we're going to pull these guys out. Come on, puppy. Come on. All right, let's weasel this out with both hands. If I can do that, you can do that. I didn't unplug this because I didn't want to, because the car's still running. Let me show you how to get to the speedometer. 1, 2, and 3. So let's get them out. So let's show you where to hide the GPS, because we just took the speedometer out. We're going to hide that puppy right in there. Alright, you can pull this guy out far enough. Look at this. Get your hand up in there. Put that puppy right there. And I'm going to show you where to catch power, because we're going to continue with this video of taking the dashboard off and getting to the speedometer, because we want to make sure this puppy is concealed. Have fun trying to get to that. So, power. Because we already did the camera. So, let's show you with everything out of the way. Those are your, there you go. That's your hot. Second fuse in, or I'm sorry, up in the second row. And then you got fourth one down from left row. That's your turn on. And ground it wherever you want. I grounded the camera right there. So that's where I would hide a GPS and install a GPS after I just took all this stuff apart with all these other videos stitched together. And so I'm going to put this all back with both hands so I don't scratch anything, and you can finish up the GPS yourself. So Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it. Ooh, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.